Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the new anime video coloring tutorial. So here I'm going to do a sharp coloring for your anime video. So first you need to import the anime video, your favorite one, and click on adjust and use this setting. So first you need to go to brightness and increase it into 2, and then for the contrast increase it to 10. Click on the saturation and increase it into 20, and also the exposure 20. Then click on a sharpen, increase it into 100. Then lastly click on highlight and increase it to 10. Click on the check icon and you'll get this result. So I'm going to trim the adjustments so that you can see the before and results, the comparison between the before and after. So here is the result. You can see now that the color is more sharp, and I think that's all. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.